You know, me the master higher adventure 1-on-1 so said the be a motion me no me amity here frame dimpa and I said dimpa and I said the land will be anyone say or the no dimpa back up will be coming home. Now bra could be I just say bra to we no should dimpa and never to not about busy hey. Now share program so ti program na say no frame no ka chen say me nua me so no adventure bi I say me ti me no tena say ne church ya dwene enua bra kofi landlord obi anim say friend no case bonnie ne dia aka no so no me nua akwaba me pese me bo de ni na akwaba wa adventure 1-on-1 so
enua
yeah the say so you try adventure 1-on-1 so ba bia be hu ya bia uko TP Bonsu media ewo YouTuber won sabe kan o link in Facebook crowd sabe kan Instagram sabe kan Twitter sabe kan ba bia wo hwehwe bia no adventure 1-on-1 de TP Bonsu media wo hwehwe ba bia ye wo ho ba bi crowd wo betna easy crowd ma wo betime hu yen Dimpes TV omo so di omo dwuma a chese dwuma kesi esi omo no so bua amansan boa na program ye pese ye kan ye topic pa pese ye kan wasem ye absentee or absent fathers ye few programs about it na me pese me bisa me bra kofi ye ma wakwa ababiem said ye bisa di kan no ye ka absentee fathers a oti asese na se na hu no
yo meda ono ase na edika machia wahefo ene wadafo a omuhwe sabre nyina baby omu bia yede nyankopon enchia sonko emu na wasema abusa hidie emu oduye ne mum no beyiwa no ene sen ka se absentee father anase eja oni ne ma abrabomu sa na me fense ne betwi kase ni mo e betire no na eno na se chere no eja me fa ne se bibi nti oni ne ba abrabo
na no betima ma example kakra fa ho
oh eno ebi ne se ebi ya oba na ne bema no mante me ho ase bi ko bai na se de emu sha ase no ko na nimu no ano obi afa de kwan ko na se de omu hia na odo wo mu ntem no e man ko da ko pie na mente me ho ase ko bai ntem no obi afa de kwan ko na na so obi e body brand no e bia we de fa be nku no wa hia obi ono ne ko na we so de fa di fa no so hia obi ono ne ko ti ba de sa na e mo fra na e di kan e de omu ba ana se omu ba ye ntem ansa na ye fa be nku mu ni fa no ma ase ye niumo brabum de bia eno na de sade no baba
na se yeka se eba awaresemu a eba se awaremu courtship and I say how do you see yourself who saying
se me a per se ana se
na per se
oh me de obi ka e ba bia ye free entino because me de me abrabo ya me ma me papa mu tenase over 60 years kopembra nyankopon to ne zafre me papa e wa de fa de currency intimidate me nim sa already e ade a esombo ne di mu pa sanse bible class nyame se ade a ye ono akasa fe kra ya ware okay ati inti already e ade a esombo na edimu ne mum no de tie ne se uhia obi a wote wasemase no de wadwene ma sorry or de nadwene e ma na mu tu ana ma ya na efe che bibia wo wiase akono so che bibia na edi kan so che bibia ne mum no se wa ma ne sa ankoba ne sa na opohia obi a onte wasemase na ne nadwene nyepa ene no wa hwe ya the worst nightmare
na se wo share obi a onte watch sema ya se wo share obi na woni na ide ato aso na wo share obi na se nipa ko no onne wo enchia eye den na oni nipa ko no eto aso na mo wo
de tie ni eto da ato ho ye gi ye ho akyinye wo ne mebi ho na metimi aye no ana se beti matene nipa no ana metimi acorrect no eno no ko be mu ho na ena ye to a me yetimi eto da wo hye nipa no wo hu nsanche ni bi kan red light ni na show on the dashboard wo say we ne ne ye bia wada na di ni su ene ne ban bia wada na di a kire wo no enya ade e bebo enso na adwo ho atini e de to dam so a eye tibia the kind of tibia na circumstances any situations
no me example kakra say circumstances bend the bema wo
ebia oni nipa ni hia ye no wo ye wadwuma ono so ye na dwuma along the line na wadwuma asai oni nipa no wo e ba sa so obesu so mu kakra enti until say won sabe ka bibi ana say obesa agina wona so wadwuma fam no ono be kurukura mu enti ne say yo say yo no obetena ho kurukura mu akopum say eni ma betu mu
enti
obesa atwa so
okay we are see be say obesa o che say because se bia said o kan se bia wadwuma say ana say nyama nhyeda nto ensi ye ma won enti no e wo se omu wa no na de wo hye ho na wo hye ho na se nyinsen ko be mu a so o say na che say ya ade a wa hyeda na apese wo ye ana say wani da ho na apese wo ye wo ana say wo pese because why do you na say we share obi e say on the circumstances nti wo kan circumstances eno no pese wo tena ho na oni nipa kro no e hwe se bia eniama betuto yi ama wo na eniama nya toto yi ma wo oni nipa kro no nyinsa abam mawo why do you na say circumstances na changes eniama be yi ama wo na eyi ma wo na no tena se na say eyi ma wo o sori ja ho
that's it say ono ne wo ho no a ebia ne ye bi ene eniama bi woni enye ho no anya de ne a one ne be discuss na nipa no ne discuss no hwenadwene ene ne response why na de say asema wo kana obefa why na de say ode betu anamo why na de say obema nsakaya aba eno ya de ehu hia pa obi ye ho no ma esi de otwa sa nim se na chiachia ebi ade a wo ye kwa na enye ne nida ho oti ase ne mom no twa na de jam so a oh me da ase na be nim se se ni se na tie ope wonti no betie wasema wo ka no wa ye nsakaya se be ye betwini wetu anamo ye obi nso ho a wetitintinti ono no ofu se de wo ye no asa no obehia na ya ade a wo ye ndada eno no wa ya wo de behia nje ne kra tu ntimi ato so ba from so de se kane no na ye wonko na na ate ana se wonko na 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 ankonam na se no obi abeka ho no e wo se obi a gina ye bi a wo sie bi a na adwene bi a wo de no wo de se nipa no ehyem bi na wo factor ni wo na bibi a wo plan ni bibi a wo ye bi a wo factor nipa ni wo se de be ya ebe bom bi no nyina
okay be this way you hold on but me just say what you say what say what kind of circumstances be it no na person you clarify what kind of say what say a circumstance be in the bem why that atenam and one need to one so say be period say bi sukra na mo ho ban e wo say plan na awaba but say no circumstances not changing and I change you no so wonim say de bibie wo mu na wo say circumstances nti na wo team it is say yin say na ba no wo kwa na say wo tena ho
ne tie die yin say no ko bae no enye de ne o de betu anim nti wo be ma no ene wo so obusa ho yin say de akoba empanyufo ye di mpanyimuro ene akofa yin say aba yin say akoba no e ade abepe se eno nti no me ne nipa yi bekoso anante anase adwena amafa no bitiri mu dada no bekoso na ma tusa na mo ne mom no ni se na akoba no e kameni abehwemachi na mahweba
okay me pese me bisa ho bi na che se ho na pese o che me se wonye anase o twetwe ti a chiefo se wonye ready se be nyi se ba na sa wo ba obetena na ade na weni na echi no wa mbon ho ban
e ho na ka me be ba no se wadwene wafa ho adwene ya wona ne nam no se bia ne ye bi ne ade wotu ne fo ka wontie ye gusu ana oye ne ade na woni ma ntoto mu ma nti okosa kosa she otim na atoto ne ma na ya woto aso ana bibia te sa no e ho no sabe o nyansafo ba bi a wo no yesi ayi ba bi bo ne ye tra ne hia ti wuti wona a wo mpe no e so wo ye nhihye ya na se bibia adamon bi abetu a enkoya de ebemo wa aka ba bi a wo no ene wo so we ebi ne say awo ya de betima mu aka ba bi a wo so wo mpa
okay
eti wo na wo so bo ho ban what you say e wo so bo ho ban se de be ya enkofa asem bi ana se enkofa bi mre wo a ebe ma wo no waka ba bi a wo
Okay. Yeah.
So we need some person better now there.
I don't share 101. Me no mama share me. I TP Bones Media. I go YouTuber. Wait my show program no subscribe. Me bra ko fi oti he na waka se bebre na match na tina konya si wa he dey be na apie because we no dey nyama bi o ha me as be ma na kire me so na me nwa no ma me no me ma no ma ne dia da bia me ka se me girlfriend so da no me ka me girlfriends bi ma ko bi ba be ma ha so we ne dey ni na so hia na me pese me bisa se ya o ma esen bra ko fi
Miami no see
o ma mi no no ware
patro debi
na ma kwara mi no ne na no o me na ma me ba ko
debi obi ya ma nko.
Okay, enti omo mienu no na we need da ho no am protect ho na so protect ho in the buy.
Oh,
and we share that ASF situation now kind we na do.
Debi anya sakra na de tie nie. O ze me sha ase me kasa me catch you say me fia me free mu no. Me jane me na no. Omo ware over 60 years. Companies bra papa no free. Enti me ba wi asa de minima ne say nipa ya ne be wo ba no. Ono ne ne kokosi awie. The minimum no.
But when who say nipa so worry no and na ade ne be wo.
The bitire so what ma say. Nipa obekware uba no. Ono ne ne kokosi awie. Ko sa na me papa no me me ma me beto ye. The minimum I don't know any different. The minimum any better be the minimum no. Enti no me shia ba no. Na sa adwene ne wo bitire. Nti ebra nyinse ko baaye no. Na ebeba ne se masoma me kai no me de etwas wo didi djuma nenso no ze nipa one na dwene no ebia mu enhia okwan bi so ana se ntiase bi nya adwuma okwan bi so a eto na ya na ha dwene kakra nti na me fa se ya dwe nhia at that time na hobre so na nipa so nti na ebia homre no adwene na enhia ene ntiase bi ya na eni ho ntina na beba se ye twaso.
Okay, that was say the tosso be me bisa.
Okay,
me bisa bebre na ma no chia tene me because unya na so dey say etie for ha bia o hwe me bia so no say me dey question wa betena ha nko ade me bisa na wonne nkwala ne ntemu te sen.
Oh yes, yentem come up.
Wontem yo come up what you monka da bia
what you monka sabe nyame ni yo mo nete de ne mom no ekwan bia me fa so bia na me de be reach out to them na me hu se de mo hu se tie no ne ade no me fa so.
Okay, ma na memo
omo ye ma
okay na ya na se na ono mo di nkomo nkola no.
Oh senye obi ka confident ya wa be wi asi ha
confident
say no
we do atare
ama
confident
ama ayi e fe se akwantuo akoye bibie wo ho ya nanka ewumu a na adwuma sam so wo ho se ne nipa ya adwuma ne ade work commitments ne ade nti se day off ne ade ne bem sa no na se ne se adwuma na me koya me ko mo na me ne omu spend the time kakra na ne me so
okay
e ho se omu ejabia odwuna mu
na how woni omo en na no ntemo no it is saying kakra when kakra bi hon kakra be so bo to fuck it to bi.
Oh, maybe there as far as I'm aware there maybe ne obi any issue but nipa de tie nipa no nipa bia in general sisi ame no tie adwona wo dwene ma me no mintimi hu je say pf wa no o tie ase entino maybe side there me di problem ya and so that me can nipa di three margin or one yankopon go na betimi ehu sa ade no and sabe en pempi no se oni nipa esan monante na menteme ho ase koba na obia fa ne kwan nko en pempi na no ya na e check akra it take time and so na mo je to accept it say ebi ya mu ne hobi obi ya move on na no ya de gina afelu ne so mo nti ase ene mo adwiri mo edo e wo de bi ho o ti ase tino se ko ba na sa no se dipa no agitum say wo ye nante emre bi etwem e wo dom ne mom no along the way no ya ante ho ase wo kwan bi so ene ye ntem te ye ne mom ne bi a akola wo ye ntem se tie bia no akola no ene ade a bringing you together. And because of Akolano, we are forever going to be in each other's life. Till see be fresh as you is wako. Into the city Tibiana, Adebia may be ano. Mpomini uni hobi, Nensono. Menye bibi betiao, a best ever bravo. The Momadibia may be and beya dea. A baby be a befa colano, a beboa colan in punto. What I say? Aha, and ni mune ni BBM.
That's it, bro. Said the watch chichi no, obo to fa amati fo bia ho. Na se ne maame no, nkola bia mo maame no, enne wo soso no, said the woka say, se wanyini, se wani ati wanyama bebre ho. Wa se wanyama bebre abotre, wunyini na wakoma ye de e ba fo wanyama bebre ho. Na se wanyini na se 7 periods so na se akola ne maame no soso nyini ya, e kwa be na ye fa so a said me said the tie for mo hwe na se obi a oti bia no, obetimi atunufo. No ne o maame no no ayada afa so from your own statement any the one who any future ka ba matie for so
yo etie ni eto da ho ya enipa no ejina nipa no so na kakra me kan se yesi ye wo be ma e ba odue ene ba bebre ho no mo a ebesi ebesi nemo no so ye be mama tambia no e wo so use wadwene oda nyansa oba de de domo na di abre nyina wo bibia ati ase onte wase obeye ne ye bia kire eto da kro mutimi use nkwala na so weapon tetia enso ni nyina no e wo so overlook as a man ma omo reaction no anasa ne be bi omu ye won chen no and stop you from doing what you're supposed to do for your child.
Okay.
Into odoa o ma akola no so da na di abrain na no matter the circumstance. Obe try, obey say. E bi o kra e ti copy child support na ye magina. Ti wan hwe ya ehisem no. Na odi akọ gina so say na wan de na say. There be e basa ye say asono mi no kontoko a. Ensensan ni nwie gina ho no. E na sofa. Ti se mo no o ma de e fa ba akọ no nema a wo ye no. How bebre e hye wabufuo na eye wahi na wo so koye bibia e be wi eche na kra na ogina mfimfie no e na ne ho be kire no
na ofi se ana odwen se mema bia mema ni na no a sebe bia te se wafa kwan bi so te se wo wo nyina obi ana wasa nyansa na ana se woni nyansa na kwan be mfa so na obetimi afa so anya sa nyansa na bi because we nyina no for your money to you.
Okay.
And I say kwala na wente mo.
Correct. De tie nie. Say ye be atiefo no me be ya adwene. Apart from ye ntete a ye see so ye free awofo ye ofa nom yesi wa nom ani omu nyini fie mo tete ye ne ho no. Ye nyini du pepen so bi a ya bra bododo na no e namfofo e na influence ye.
Oh. Assuming no wakofa ba eboso.
The Assembly of Proverbs, chapter 13, verse 20. Or see, he who was in the council of the wise will be in answer for.
Preach on, Pastor.
What's your new translation version? Or say, walk with the wise and you become wise. Walk with fools and you end in trouble.
So for you need to go. Who you cry my prophecy will have son.
So, it's the who is a choir person who is and also surrounding yourself with people with the same mindset. And I say, baby, crew our person. You see it here. Me analogy do. But some people Ghana says here. Me to me tell them what I mean go pay Ghana. COVID-19 protocol near there bay. Maybe so be our kobiala. Ana obi a why you be paying na baby sir. Say the pan of them kwa kodom no. No to me for actually me near me say me ya ansana. Let me akopie airport afro planes me kona. O pese o yes ha ne ma no. O develop ni ade. Fa nanfofo a o ma fa saa te bia nim. E bia to o mo pen. Say no mo say handle no. E na mo handle ye e ko wie ye. Ana enwie. Panyini bi oben wa na dwene mu do. Onim de no ben no. On tufo na on churchill kwan ya befa so a obe handle that situation.
That was very. Now, you remember be over. So what I say, me and somebody me home a kind. Sometimes in the tintin.
Correct.
So what I say, if you are crying, man on kwa. Said the okay. So you be over a be over bano a baby. And the be also a beman see the AB. So what I say. Na said the okay. Say we could share be so tintin on the no kwa na said the obe can be an answer baby ano. And I was so be a far and no son, more than a bit in their bois, Sebby, or more bit me a moment call man. And we are you a banning sin chain crown canoe. Say because when I disown no ban and I saw you or two or no ban air kuma. Who saw no ban and Cassason air kuma.
Correct. So that's him, you know. It takes a wise person to see it from that angle, in that perspective. So we will be a sabi. What do you mean? Who is that? Say, oh, he sabi me Obama no over. Na we be a tiame Obano. Okay, who is a man? No, we a tiameno. Me show bano. It be a way a tiameno. And then I way a tiamio. Aqualana way a tiam.
Oh, no, as in Sikasemu and I say, as in
me oba. Me oyere ena ebufu ana bibia wonto ho asenti no ofo se wo ya ade bi ehwo me ana wo ye bibi a kire mi nyansa na bibi enye me na wo ye tia me akola no ehwo na ya wo se efefiri
ehwo na se efefiri yes
akola na wo ye tia de sanze akola no so ni bank account and when there's friction between you two no na se mo an hwe na ma resolve ya the person that suffers na akola no jina fifi. So what I say, and you know, Nina Mono, abutre, and I was a man, Yana Brina. Meaning, sir, and somebody be why I'm near night. It be a put some pa, a bit, just a bureau, Yana Asafim. That ought not say, Jonah, over Jonah Hosa, what to me who did do overnight. And so Nina Mono, or see a homeso, a buffo bar, and oh, over Kansas P, over any mother brave.
What are homeso power?
Oh, and I make a banner, a buffo bar, Obayan Zempi, Obakan Zem Bebre, Obayan Emma Bebre, the Momono, what's an answer now for Miss Argent one? We sound say, and son as I did any babysino. Saying that situation it here. Into the horror, no bizarre, say, okay, and the mission free. Or no, Jinaha, and I mean, Jinaha. And son of the BCD, no. No problem be any situation no and they're wrong and I mean no me no yente situation na say and unti ema yente ahwase
so when
they should free sir
okay you answer but when me no na we ka say we won you wrong na we or no so you wrong
situation na wrong
so situation ya akwala no
enya akwala no adekode e de mente me ho ase ne ko bae no
that say without akwala we talking in terms of the father right the father no without the akwala no I think it's an saying name say bibia nko bia fa na bag no bia kono bia yen kase hoda but because of akola no
right
akola no kuta you no bond together right. So what I say we me no nyina na what I say me ma ne ku asada ti akola no becomes a situation becomes an icon there
e ho no me no wonya adwene wo kire say akola no is the end product of a process what I say the end product of a process into the end product there. In physics, you've already be Hess law. We need zone in physics. Hess law was it the process through which a reaction comes about.
School my massa.
A honey in your corner. Was it processor? I did be fast about. And then here and result in here. Is that what you say? Ubi is can you acquire fast when you can be any interested. When you see carry insanity. And you know, end product which is the child. And they are married. A process na fast by e ho na mentime ho ase ne ko bae o ti ase e na akwa ne ko pie ba akwa ne be no a part of the process but still no e na say ti ase bi nya adwuma ntene na mo mienu nya obi afa ne baby but the end product dey ho whether you choose to stay or leave you know you still have to take care of the end product which is the child and I said they be kind you know it will be best say you be treat each other with respect and be there for each other for the sake of the child. We don't have to turn against each other and fight each other.
Most of us do. Most of parents do.
And I make us say,
most men do. Most women do.
And Tiasiano, a marketing get to be the Obia become a was a matro. I and Adamanam and Apocasi and the say, as I'm not here, Grobusem. Say no cray, say no cray. No, so. Ebio, Adeba Aqua, me who said a tardis had you so papa. Said Mentime was on the company acquire separate ways now. Ejino Biade, how long are it taking or get it over the other? Obi oh yeah offer I was sure before for no real crafinachi.
No, but we across a bit me as still I know.
And Obi so be kwa but otonase dwene ye comparison na. Obu ne say ah there bi. Baby am free buy no na nke hoye. Ne mo twa na chi a ehwe na chi a. Etwam koda dada akodi baabi. Enti yawo ene ho ahoye a ne ade no. It made this hard and so ba.
Okay, so I am bia no let say the we can I say mene oba na so woni oba akro no mo feelings no become so powerful say akwala na nkasa no say the okay say end product no mo me na mo di end product na see baby and then you're talking about your feelings
exactly, which is very selfish.
Me no kasa wa hai won say me share that me no kasa me bisa we say me brain and most of the enya me bisa yan na it ends up with them penifo no.
Okay,
So what I say I want the akwala no to be the figure here.
Okay, like I said, you know, with or without the other party, the child should always be paramount. The child should always remain paramount, no matter the circumstance.
That's it. I didn't share one. So, Mr. Mama, Mamma, if you say, Mamma, Kwana, said you also don't jam Colano, a man to be copa, a man be copa, but to do a heart, one tin do. And Mamma Moon, I said, in prayer, you will do Kuma say, and I said, Chukwaya, I will change Mamma Bury, and there's reasons to why and tell Bemman the Moon bed will be free. And it's a one tear, see, what will be now and tear, one I was so tear, and I saw be some near Chomo, because we wait my time, baby, 7 periods, I went to Ghana, near be or high, maybe a work room, and be in Ghana, and I say, being in America, and I say, being in the other side of Europe and Australia. Maybe I will be different, but aha, a chrome high team. I have no so different. Chroma program there and you say chroma, but you say from fear because you ain't free fear. You can't say, what can I say? You can't Fante Casa, you can't Casa be a maker be a minion. Forgive me. Some man can't chroma casa. But I don't share baby, but could be able to offer a chance and watch room. Maybe I could fee. Yes, yeah, can be to say, Wolfie na Asemaba na wo by my washer if you offer a bag of call. Na pa what to see a wanting only so bit me share for no job ban or honey manema. Now, do you ever think about Obana or Jana Hono?
In Padi,
and how?
Ansana in Jubert on the Riabo. Geniepa in Juto, a Riabo once and in Giato. Said it be an old one. Na de ba kwa meswe ehunu ne say ade bia that has got to do with the mind and the heart no akoma ne adwene mu nsem no tini mi eno kokabom na lengia e na ehun sem kan de yie pa and the emotions ne ba and bibia e driven by emotions no why here it take the bigger part of your brain obeye awie ansa na wadwene ho abufuo ne ba yese edipa security force edipa adwene no you were two sides. You were the reasoning side and you were the emotional sides. Na nimi elu nyina no ebia inhibits the each other. Say we trigger we nya adwuma. And we so trigger we nya adwuma. Ntina say obufu a sometimes you can't think straight. Obey na maybe we atena say. It will better as baby na emotions they calm down. I think another reason inside na kicking in. And that one will be out na see be a woduna obuofu so atwiti so koku bi da da bi. You know correct. So what na say? Easy see pa adwuma ya say be ndai. Ira me me. That time no mfatu so koku nipa da bi. Ko reason inside na kicking ebufu ni nyama. So what I say? Ebufu de ba reason inside so nya adwuma. Suppress each other. What I say? Aha. Enti Ebufo ne koba e ho no emprempre ne ho there and then no onwene oba akro no at that time cause ebufo ne ba ebufo any selfishness enam obi ebufo is selfish what you say eti ebufo ne koba e ho bre no wo dwene wonko a ho ada say da be kan be fa bag no wa pii ko tu be ko be wi na be class na be calm down wo be twa wani asa ko situation ni biem no my own from so those are come to me bo asemi kwa na ke betimi aka na nsese nka be free ko na sometimes the air dey ba na pride
no kwa na se bibi kan ho bi
pride na ni wo
Friday yesterday last week we know be a program and then comment on about address be we say but obi your pride and also be your ego issues and it say oh me yeah twaso what the twaso
pride near you or found the bag and pride means your best back and anything and all the bag they go read or best about so they say or body who was work here for us work on us back the near was over tini over twaso
Into wood na dey.
Oh, me dey me dey. So be related to
ba ko pride na ba ko
Dabio. Me related to Dabi. Me related to me dey say me mba mi no asem na person ka. Ana dey na person ka.
Am say o nkola mi no. O free fie no. Na me bisa say, o ko na
pride na dey first one na ya dwene nhia no. Na enye no nko a. Ya dwene na dey nhia no so na distance so ye factor. Not yet chi.
Okay.
Ntinanka ye say ebia ye beti ye ho ase ne ya together na for the sake of akola na ne ade but obi a ya wo na to ba bi ne wanyini wo ho ne namfofo na busuafo ne bibia na obefiri ho aba ba bi ase bibia wo ha na wo nya adwuma yi nti no wo pese wo tana ha ede na wo se sebe ye krom efo no so free ba bi na wo fo ne namfofo ne ade nyina wa e big issue pa iti ko bana sa no na tese e o si entemote
oh okay nti montemote no in a good way
oh yes in a good way menendo ebesi nei menendo e adamfo okay fa fon frebe ti bi fresh din komo to adwene say ni bibia kola no enyini say de onzo wo nyini enche bia obesi depending fie kwan so ye be de den yedi chan komo ne ade to
good say mo di san komo no ti say mo di san komo na how you must say the music kind of crampo Emma eno no mu mienu na mu di nkomo no empanyifo no how do you mu hu sen akwala no hu sen
because enche be enfie be me enseni ana nine mu one you was 21 says
oh 21
enfie 21
oh okay because 21 is
and you new afe apem aduonu ne aduonu baako enti meko sra me panyini ene ato ne yedi nkoma na mse pie ko shopping ya na ne ma me ne hu chichibi no fa share ne no try na mso fata no se no so me fa nko na yemkotua kan ya de na so nkola da druta eto da ya no mpese omudu kasa be stage na omu kasa kan sempi asma ke to always that why don't you guys get together again and I never have a chance
Otiano
you you and I'm serious said the man to the chance let me have your crowd what you say ejina nipa no so ejina mu nipa na mo ye involve no said that be kind akola ni nya be hye montema you are in each other's life for life eti bibia bo be bia no so wo ya bia tia we ya akola na wo ya tia na anto say akola ni benyini adum pempenso bi a ono a betimi ahwe no ho akase ba ya be panyini no bibia ba ya tia the other side bia no ono na wo ya tia no ti se mo hu de sa no a very easy and then say akwani bi na no ka say why don't you guys come together and mama who say ayonkofa eda mene ne maame ne ntɛm no ade ɛyɛ ne fɛ and akwadaa bi apɛ so ohun sɛ ne maame ne papa kɛtɛ no kɛ o ti aseɛ
nti sɛ bibi sa na sɛ akwadaa no pɛ so ohun sɛ wɔne ne papa ne maame teɛ no na maame ne ka sɛ you na o so fa akwadaa no ɛhɔ no bi question bi maame nkwadaa na yɛ no ɔmo teɛ no ohun sɛ nkwadaa no how do you see nkwadaa na kasa
onim mfomso asɛm bo na me na me yɔnko bi Canada no mfomso a yɛn awofo no yɛ taa yɛ die yɛsɛ bagimi brɛ no ɛne yɛn apɛn so no hɔ no ɛne yɛn maame no yɛn nananom apɛn so no
mo apɛn so no
ɛhɔ no ayi bibi yɛ da yɛ miamia so yɛ ne na me ne nyama bibi yɛ kasa kasa mi we bi no ne nyama
konkonsa galo
ɛhɔ nyina ne no bi na ebi ni hɔ enti hɔ no de na sabe obi kwa abrochire ko obetro tell be an back there's a cassette
okay cassette
e frɛ ina abochenku ne ne yakasa buso we aka ndie kakra we aka ndie kakra we ye wi na apostu ko
bra wonyini
samre no e de hɔ ne free e bai na select o try to ko pepempa o try to tin ya bro bible tracks no ni agesa o go bi da
no crowd ye meme de timi ka se obefra ahomache for na ahomache for wakogina phone book no post office
ni afre wasi ho ɛno wasɛm na meka but ɛnɛ no ɛmfomso a yɛ awofo no yɛ ni enkola na aba no ɛbere kɔ na believe me enkola na dwene mu dɔ kyɛn sɛ de yɛsi hu mu no adeɛ bi hɔ a wobɛyɛ no ofuso so ohun ya na wɔnte ase bagimidi omunim kyɛn sɛ de osisi hu no me dwo no ɛbere bi bucket packet to no but then they call you penny who am that is day out here call diablo na ya to tony ma na dia ni kakra na emo ye nu kakra timbe ko no bibie si ukie so ma dia me ye ne se season di twama me pake me ne ma na me dia bu si ukie se winter ne ma me pake na we sama dia na tire mo nu kakra na me fa bibie si ukie so na me ya me fa we ya nam de aguo e ho be na akoda di mfie na 4 years ojina wodi daddy you got too much clothes why don't you give some to charity oda 4-year-old the cars as of the train and I okay to me that say akola 4 years crowd even think say so wa de bi na wo hia wo de ko charity ni ye be so ayem bre de ye nim se sa adwe ne bi yet and so hwesa akola 4 years e futu o de man papa panyini okay me gina wo hwe de din at me hakin I'm so that's my girl me see you're right that's my girl no sre ya underestimate you and then from so aye no na bia omuni more than we think they do and they see more than we think they do.
And how do you communicate with Akola or who said who so smart son? How do you communicate with Akola?
What you do is say who say Akola na dwene mudo ana or you smart when maybe honi na metesa normally no the air say it comes with questions obebu san say bebre we wiase na de ba ko metumi nua no mo hwe me fo mo ho nyina afo e twantro nkyerɛ obada enye bida enema mienu obeka che ne se emresim mekyerɛkyerɛ makyerɛ obete ne ho ase enye ne de but ɛhɔ no obete ne ho ase anasa obeka no kra na che ne direct na sɛ obetwa ntro ne na ɛkyerɛ wa bɛyi wa no de ɛmoa
do ase atiefo T-Bonsu media na mo hwɛ ahaso adwenkyerɛ ne atena sɛ meni menua Kofi tan a kyerɛkyerɛ adwene wakasa bi kasa waka onwie because what to ask kakra because one question bi on person me bisa no na de wakan na meso me de bibi kakra bi so sometimes no ho nkwala no ye fi sɛ de wakan sɛ nkwala no sua no na ɔmo nsua no ye nkwala no ɔmo adwene ɔmo ntie kura keke o sometimes we be sure akuta phone I say we di abro phone no say ma sure kakra so or show 1 minute now, I can't see me breach or 1 minute. And none of me beside say, how we're then only allow to side and cassa. And am I always, my dear, make person chance. I will for sometimes they will see it to me, Jai de Bia, maybe some colano, because said the tour shopping mall on one, I said, Bibiano, Colano, I'm a coyano. The enemy I'm a cano, a bibia, a big cry, colano, I want to cry a bit my hair colano.
Oh, yes.
A honor, send on your colana casai, bra.
But you need to change, or I am a hugging you. And I'm a say, and I'm going to change it. Also, why don't you? So, small Buzaman, and I'm a say. And I'm a train, and I'm going to change it only, my dear. Time will tell. Obuzam said, and also says, and I'm BBI Jamamre. Many he BBI. No, yeah, okay. Okay, so.
Yeah. Last but not the least, because your question be and if you say be said won't call me knowing and said they will see one with him or Cassa will prophesize a bumper in my and I have a drum. The question being and basically says your friend be a stone cold dad. Okay. The stone cold dad near Papa said be woofy. Na on the woofy and they won't say because only fear and there be only ho and our 2 kindness. Well, yeah, Jumani said you will fee, none of man will fee or ban will fee, but say papa no, or hope by emotional, you know, when you're connected to the family, you know.
Right.
Nipasan, how do we deal with them?
A honor. I am the hard to kaka. So say, so let me do kaka. Nipa, the 3 months, and PM free na norma. Nayana. Ejina ashasiye no sede omusi eshasiye nefa onse oyobi how de eja mema de minyane ono aye free obeka o meka bibia nche no na de ache kosu amekwa ba o se omusa ne de na ha na enra no oba ya na nim serious ne no enra no wa eche ko and oba ya na nim serious ya wa fa ne sa ne ato aso ne yeko. What you say? It's the previous, and you're resolved. And a war. What you say? It's the bad side, or no feel say, on you know.
Why the prince on you know, banana as a man?
They man feels so when you know you don't care enough. Cause or by why worried. Why did you? Umusano said the Hano. I didn't know why you did. Say that. Like I was so dig it deep. Or your partner. So if you notice any changes in the mood, I also finding out why.
Okay.
What I say? I also finding out why. And the entity that might be paid. Why you
did? Okay. Or bad moment, some could find out why.
Yes.
Kofi. The question I may say, stone cold that will feel and not connected. And the person, not joining Nana said on the will feel, said it was in fears, and I said, in person, may be no fee.
Okay.
But I'm not connected to my children. I'm not connected to Obano, either and I say my girlfriend, I'm not connected to them. And on only the NSA or Tiffy or fee, blue crampona, Sebi. But if you are on your son, you say it will be an oban sign, or Shem Quala, or Bob ECC feeling your man. Stone cold that would what I say, or no son may be South Beam, say a dinner how.
And then I make from Ashasiano, said the Musiciasiano, and not an a trend. Ashasiano, my name Tiasie, a quite you ma, if you have a pombe drift another 10. Adrian no anya da bia na metima no 2 days woni mpo a mekere ba ko mienu bia sabe kona me maaya obeya wankasa ani nkwala ne de no mobedie ashase no obu woni bu ne ma ne nyina so ena behavior so wo jato for so long after a certain time no ya na I difficult so be correct.
Me am twa no but nye mema ya so so ba no aduane ama na so ba nya sa especially kitchen there. Ya sa bia no ka so untimi nye oba your bad ye no untimi ensusu so your ba because said untimi no aduane na said the can right say bia obi tumi no aduane we nu ha we tumi do but nya me man anka say tumi bia no san aka say wonye wa sede asoba
impa kane tetemire mu no na ne yema yesonko
we you sure say na obi na modern world no man say obi da so 1664
ebi adwene da so sabi ebi adwene no da so wa akiri abrochiri ha yete no untene mfa kane tetemire mu sɛdeɛ na yɛ maame mo ɛne yɛ papa no mo ɛware no ɛma hasa bia no mu wɔ no ɛhɔ asɛm nko ɛna yɛ ha yɛ no soso nko ahai wo yɛ adwuma ɔbaa no nso yɛ adwuma tieni o wo yɛ adwuma ɔbaa no nso so yɛ adwuma nti tɔda ɛyɛ compromise ɛyɛ sɛ mo compromise yes ɔbaa no sɛdeɛ wo kan ɔbɛyɛ nnuane ahyɛ fridge mu ne ade 1-2 bi ne ade bɛsɛ wo so agya no sɛ wo wɔ fie na ɔbaa no kɔ adwuma no ma ha ɛwɔ sɛ so step in
okay
na adekode a ɔsɛ sɛ woyɛ ma nkɔla no woyɛ
okay no yɛ de ɔkɔ na ɔma ya na me ka de ɔtifie a ɔno de ne sɛ he's not connected to anything in the house
wrong so onye connected to anything in the house and you're better off leaving
so ɔno so ɔkɔ na ɔno so betimi de na camps absentee fathers no and I know how can hold that cry.
Or no crowd in a way, crowd him quite just on that cry. What if you now you can't relate to the children when you're connected to be out your barber so TV, you will do sounds or the child for a coat to call you man. There be a genocide. In genocide, Busomu, what to say, and Colana what to say, why your homework. And the teacher, the dear or catch the daily see school, brother catch them and cemetery, sir. Or don't know what you make say, the Biaboko, before you are not in yarding. Na break na ATT na de en komo bisa e wo se koso mo ye family mo ye interdependent on each other and the stronger the family unit no the stronger the individuals so what's the desire there ya obi a ofiri fie bi a mo family unit is stronger no opi abonti kasa with confidence and dey je wo no
that's so akasa asem no which means we say yeah mema no and I say yeah a man wo ho no so what say we say bibia ye bia letini e forget na yetimi bond because say ye mienu no ye mienu no e together and I say stronger so what say a man kwala no so ye den wo si abontin a o ye confident okay now min tro no ko say akakakra be ye bekoi efu cho be na ode be ma ye nuanom bia o mo se be o mo hwe yin especially o mo free de o ti fie a o mo wane ma and the all pe kwan free fee so what I say and kwan be na betim de nkwala na bonofu to fa kakra bi e che tie for mo hwen
e nyina ne se o ye ja na o fie sebe jitum se wona ya busuaneti jetie dia asudi e kese pa da so there's a whole responsibility lying on your head as the head of the family enti ade a obeye ne se tell them the kind no you should build that unit no mobile connected to each other it is a obi kra ohu obi mood kra otimi say di pass besi nyi say no tie me bai bibi ha na ne BBS school BBS cause you connected it I can read the body language kra to tell me say there be bibi ha kolai offering I find out the problem. Say anya sa na ema no na se de menu aka yi Stone Cold Dado de oto alaba nkata hwemfa ho
bibia
and they say o chena say na de wo de a de say wo de nko a na wo de one way na de wo hwa that typical selfishness attitude ne de emwa e basa nipa yesi do yak project from ebu oba ne bekoso a oye the nsuo tap engineer oje wo e bedurum ne bi na fe they can't take it no more. What I say, it's a more and fast review and the Korean order Emma. The honor to usually year.
That's it. It's here for a higher drink 101. So, said yet, your demand would be no open social TP Bonsu media. A bit more subscribe or YouTube honum. I mean, the Bema near Jadi who crown us baby, I've been free and 10 piano. Say the better one more. One subscribe power, but you never told my pin now about phone or so, and I say with TV so, and I say computer so, what in your share check. Subscribe penny here on chain. na wo forward message yi ma nkrofo wo ko share no click na de ma wo nua bi because una de nyina pese ati we ni bi anya obi a wo tere fie na ware nko ana hia wo enuanom si ye bekoi bebra ko fie akasa nioma bebre ho e kasa ba na se de akwalate wetiti mutie se bia ne ma me shede bisa na ono ne personal issues me bisa bi ti se papa wo tifie no hwe ne ma say na fa afutu ye kan ho asemi afutu be na onya wo wa dance die ne sen wo saade we mu wankwala ne nchen say na be kasa afa o ma ho ana sense na be kasa afa o ma e ma me ho na se o ma papa ho bibia ye bia no ma emum ye nhwe na si ye ne keke si ye because e wo se me ye ma madamfo because nipa nprebie no nipa be be hwe for madamfo akase se na se madamfo ye se de bebra ko fika wa se hwe nipa a wona ne benantie se nipa kro no so osere kiro ne osere kiro ne the third day was mu na search wa I was so put still caution there because in my day e bia na wonim kwan kra no osere first 2 days no obi o person no nante no benantie tem bia wo te hwe kra no benantie wo su a ono besu wo sira ono besu ono wo sira ono besu wo su ono besu nyanom adwenkyere 101 de wo hwe dem bria memeda kwasiada wukwada wo pese oba program so bia so betimi afre producer no na wa chew ma ye ho ye be fro na obetena ha ogibra kofi akonwa na so obetera odwene bra kofi ye da wasi bebrebe na ase enwanom aha na ye de mo besi